the skills shortage, the skills gap, the problem was that all those other things that went with it. It needed compliance, it needed follow-up, it needed admin. All these things had to be done to make that role work, those roles work, but it also needed to be done for the company to work. So what we started to realize was whether we were looking at sales, whether we were looking at operations, which for us included training. So we looked at a training department, our operations, and every company has operations for what they do based on industry. And then, of course, we looked across IT, we looked across finance, etc., and we could see those different skill sets where we would hire people to do what moved the needle. But then, unfortunately, what would happen was all these other tasks that they would need to do to make their roles successful, their jobs successful, but they either weren't getting done or they were taking them far too long to do, or they just weren't productive or successful at it.